Okay, I'm gonna film this unboxing and oh, I shouldn't show. Alright, well, I'll take this part out. My label. This I got from Japan. I saw this bag at a store that I don't normally shop at, but I really like the style bag. And it's because, I'll tell you, I show it. It resembles a bag that I like a lot. And the price was kind of high for this store. But I found it on eBay in Japan. So I bought it. It took 10 days to ship. And I finally got it. Okay. This bag, I hope, doesn't have any issues. I'll tell you why in a minute. That's cute. They added a My Melody, what is this? Keychain? That's really cute. I'll give it to my kids. Oh, look at that. Look at the paper, the newspaper. You see? It has.
Came from Japan.
Yeah, it came from Japan. So there's like boy bands on it. How cute.
I was about to read the thing.
Look at that. Huh? What about it?
You can't even read that.
Oh no.
It's all in Japanese.
It's all in Japanese.
Unless if you have to read it.
Okay, it comes with the shopping bag as well. So I'll show you guys where it's from. Coach. I don't shop at Coach. I think I only have one Coach bag. But they came out with a certain style bag that I thought was really cute. And this bag in America is supposed to never go to the outlets. Because I wouldn't buy a bag full price at the store knowing that it's going to go to the outlet. But it's supposed to not be there. But in Japan, I guess they do send them to the outlets if there is some sort of minor imperfection or it doesn't meet the standard of shipping quality. I don't know, the standard of quality, then it goes there. Here is, what is in here? Thank you for your purchase. So it's like a card and a thank you. I've never seen Coach wrap their stuff like this, so that's concerning. Is it concerning? I don't know. I'm not 100% familiar with Coach. It has a weird smell. There it is. This is the Coach Tabby in the soft quilted leather. This is the 26 size. And the reason why I bought this is because it reminded me of the Gucci Marmont bag. So let's see. I think I know why this one went to the outlet. Let me make sure it's authentic first. Something like that. This is not an authentic Coach bag. I do not think. I do not think this is not authentic. Nope. It smells like a factory. It should smell like soft butter leather. The gold, it's not all crisp and perfect. I went to the store and checked this bag out myself. Look at this. This black, I don't know, ring of color. It's not perfect. Like the string inside. This is soft inside the authentic one. There's string inside here just chilling. It smells like a factory. It does not smell like leather. It should smell like leather. The zipper is stiff. Look at this. They screwed me over. The zipper won't even close all the way. The inside lining is like plasticky. The outside is soft, but this is not a real bag. This is not a real Coach bag. And the lock mechanism is just, it doesn't, look at it doesn't line up perfectly. I don't know if you can see with the hole. It's like, it comes out so easily. Well, the one at the mall is authentic. This one is not. And they said it's authentic. They said it comes from the Coach outlet. They lied. I want to see the strap. I mean, I think they have a return policy. Oh my gosh, look at the strap, you guys. Let me get my head out of the way. Look at this. Do you see the... Do you see that? Sheesh. The glazing is shit. Let me show you this. Do you know how long I waited for this stupid thing? I will never do this again. It comes from a reputable seller. Authentic, they say. Authentic. Coach bags that they get from the outlet. I should have known better. Wow, this may be soft leather. It's too soft. I felt the other one. While it was soft, it wasn't like this. It wasn't like this. You see what I'm saying? It wasn't crinkly soft. Okay. Well, it's going back. And that was my Chanel, or not Chanel, that was my Coach Tabby 26 unboxing fail. They don't expect the bag back, I guess, or they didn't mention anything about shipping label, because usually when you do a return, you get the shipping label, you send it back, and then they refund your money. Well, in this case, they just refunded me my money. So I'm gonna contact them, just because I don't feel comfortable just keeping this, and see what they want to do. I think to them it's a bribe in hopes that I don't leave bad feedback by letting me keep this thing. I don't know, we'll see what happens with that, because I've never had that happen before. I just wanted to show you guys not to get duped like I did. Most of the bags I looked at the Japanese sellers or resellers of the Coach Tabby bags, and there's a lot of inconsistencies in the photos. The photos of this bag were of the real Coach bag, and this is the one I got, so you have to be really careful. Sometimes when it's too good to be true, it is. So that is it, you guys. I know it's been a really long time since I made a video, but it's good to be back for a minute at least. See you later. Bye.